Hello, this is a sous vide cooker, 10 liter, sophisticated heater, located from left to right, cover whole tan, which ensure every inch of tan even heat. Then we can see our touch-sensitive control panel. In the upper one, we can set the temperature, and the lower part set the time. And then that is all the touch-sensitive key. This is all stainless steel structure from the case and the tan, and also the back side, which has a power switch. Now we set the 98 for the sous vide cooking for the lava egg. Now the water is boiled. Then we put the basket inside. Let me show you. Then we close. The time is up about 6 minutes. So we take out the basket. Now we transfer the egg into the cold water. Okay, now we will peel off the egg, and then we can see the total egg is very beautiful. And we cut the knife into half. Okay, this is a very perfect one.